Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Issa and today, it's a little gloomy. I'm a little bit bored. And I thought, what would make me feel better? The answer is a chatty get ready with me, chatting with you guys, just hanging out, doing my makeup for the day. Do I have somewhere to be? No. I'm gonna be working from home today, but we can still look cute, right? I've been feeling just inspired to play with makeup recently, like play with color, get a little bit more spring summery on the face, and I think that's something that I want to do today. Not entirely sure the look that I'm going for, I just know maybe we'll do like a bold lip, maybe something cool on the eyes. We're gonna figure it out together, so if you're in the mood to hang out or you're just getting ready as well and you need someone to chat with, I'm here for you. Let's get ready together, let's play. So I think I'm just gonna start with the face, like the base, because it's the most simple. Like I really don't need to figure it out. I just know that I want a clean base. So we're doing a little bit of underpainting today because I love underpainting, especially when I want to be a little more natural but still snatched. It's one of my favorite things to do. You guys, my hair, like I have been struggling with thinning around here, and it was apparently because of COVID. It's like a side effect that lasts a while, and it has lasted me a while, and I'm finally starting to regrow all the hair. So I have so much like hair growing here and like a lot of baby hairs going on. It is a little annoying, but I'd rather have that and have no hair. If you guys want me to like chat a little bit more about that and like the products I use and stuff, I definitely can. I'm not a big hair expert. I've just gathered a lot of information online, and by that I mean TikTok. A lot of wise people on TikTok. What has helped me the most, I think, has been like hair growth serums. There's one from Bridgerton that is newer that I started trying and I enjoy. Rosemary oil and rosemary water. Everyone knows about rosemary oil, but nobody really talks about rosemary water, and it's great to help hair growth. And I used to wash my hair every single day because I couldn't go one day without washing it. And I've been slowly training my hair to be a little less oily. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just washing my hair less. And it has been working. I feel a big difference in the health of my hair, and I feel like it's also helped a lot with the shedding and stuff. I'm happy, because for months I was super insecure about my hair. And now I feel very much like confident. I've gotten to the point where I'm like, I like my hair. It feels very healthy again. I've always had like super thin hair, but I've always had a lot of hair. So it's not very voluminous, but I've always had a lot. And for a time there, it was sparse and I was a little bit scared, but now all is better. So if you're going through a hair thinning or hair loss journey, I understand you, and I hope things get better for you soon, because I get that it's a struggle and it can make you feel very insecure. I don't underpaint all the time because it's like a force of habit. Like I usually always, if I'm doing my base, I just start with the base, but I love how it looks and I always forget that I love how it looks until I do it. It just looks very natural, and I love a natural look. You guys know this. I hate that it's gloomy out because then, I don't know, there's no joy. What's going on with the weather? I know it is rainy season here in Guate where I am. It's like my least favorite season. I don't like it when it rains. Unless I am getting ready for a nap, then it's prime time. But for being productive, it's not the best. I will be linking everything that I'm using down below because I think I've forgotten to mention everything up until this point, so everything will be linked down below. Do not worry about that. But yeah, what have you guys been up to? Do you have any summer plans? I know summer is coming up. It's very exciting, especially, for those of you who are in North America. And I am very excited because I will be spending a bit of my summer in New York City. I'll be apartment sitting for my sister because she is gonna be gone for a while, so I'll be taking care of her apartment and just living in the city for a little under a month. And you guys know I love New York. If you've been here for a while, you know I've lived there for a few summers before the pandemic. It's my favorite city. I cannot wait. I'm gonna be there with my other sister, my youngest sister. We're just gonna have a blast. I have a hair sticking to my face. But yeah, I cannot wait. New York summers are brutal though, but I just enjoy it so much. Like, I am so grateful for the time I get to spend there, so I cannot wait for that. It's like right now it's May. In June. This is happening in June, so it's happening very soon, and I'm so excited. I don't want to make any promises, but I feel like there's gonna be cool content, like New York-based content. If you're into that or you think you will be into it, let me know. I just feel like in places like that, I get a lot more inspired. Like, it's a big city. I can walk everywhere. Like, I feel like my outfits are just gonna slay harder than here, because here I usually, you know, never leave my house, and on the rare occasion that I do, I don't really, I mean, I'm always doing the most when it comes to my outfits, no matter where I am, but I feel like in New York I just go harder and I feel a lot more myself. So hopefully I will have some fun content for you guys. I've been doing my British Australian accent for a while. I mean, for it to sound British, but it comes out more Australian because I just, well, not just, but I've been watching Queen Charlotte, rewatching and rewatching because I'm obsessed with it. It is my favorite Bridgerton series. Like, it's not a season, but it's my favorite Bridgerton thing that has come out ever. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed, you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this as well because I cannot shut up about it. But it's just, it's so good. If you haven't watched, well, what are you doing with your life? Because for the past 2 weeks, that's all I've been doing. Just watching Queen Charlotte, watching all the interviews, watching all the behind the scenes and all the TikTok edits. It's heartbreakingly beautiful, so go watch if you haven't yet. It's been like a source of happiness, truly. You guys know that I like to hyperfixate on shows or people, but yeah, this is worth it. This one is worth it, and I'm not the only one. Like, everyone is obsessed. You go on TikTok and you see every single human being just reciting the "My Heart Calls Your Name" monologue. Oh! I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Otherwise, I'm gonna sound like an insane person. But I think, like, we get each other, right? You've seen it as well. We're on the same wavelength. Might have gone overboard on the blush because I was so excited talking to you guys, but that's fine. That's okay. No worries. We can tone it down later if need be. Okay, and as I shift my focus to my brows and my eyes, I want to just talk a little bit about like shifts that have been going on in my life. I usually am pretty private, like I don't say a lot. I don't know why, I don't. I'm not used to it, but I feel like I want to. I turned 24 in April, so a little over a month ago. Not as much of a crisis as I thought it would be. Like, 23 for me was horrible in the sense that I felt like the world was ending when I turned 23. I was like, I cannot believe I'm 23. And I can't believe I'm 24, but it didn't feel as major. Like, I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of this. And I feel like a big part of that is this year I decided that I really wanted to, like, not like get my shit together, because I feel like nobody will ever have their shit together completely, but just like work on myself and like really level up on who I want to be and like the person that I am. I didn't know how to go about it. Like, you know, at the beginning of the year, everyone's always like doing manifestations and setting intentions and goals. I've been doing that for years. And I obviously did that this year, but I never see the results that I want. Like, I feel like they help a little, but they're not completely, like, something always stops me. You know, I'm like manifesting, I'm doing all these things, like working on my spirituality, and something always like stops me. It never works out completely as I want it to. And I've discovered that a really big part of that is my limiting beliefs. So we all have limiting beliefs. We all form them when we're kids, and what we see in our lives and in the lives of other people, you know, we attach meaning to things, and those stay with us. Even if we're working, like, even if we're going to therapy, even if we're working on things like manifestation, intentions, all of that, these limiting beliefs stay with us, and they don't let us move on, like move forward, because in the back of your mind you're like, no, because this. So I recently started working on that, and wow, my life has been completely changed. I'm working with, I wouldn't know how to call him, like a coach or something. It's like a person that guides you through your shit, through your limiting beliefs, to help you clear them forever. I've been doing quite a few sessions already, and you guys, my life has changed completely. It's insane. I used to be someone who had a lot of anxiety, and I say used to because I don't have much anxiety anymore. Like, I feel like just a normal amount, but I used to be a really, really anxious person. Side note, I'm living for the glossy eye right now, so we're doing a glossy eye. I had a lot of limiting beliefs around anxiety and control and my need to always be in control. And these, at first they were specifically like career-based, but that it's obviously like not just hindering your career, it hinders your entire life as a whole because it's you as a person. And I don't know, I feel like I'm going on a tangent, but the thing is, I've been working on clearing my limiting beliefs, and that has helped me with everything else. It has helped me reach goals. It has helped me manifest better. I'm doing affirmations again. I've tried doing affirmations for years and they never stick because I feel like I didn't do the deep work of clearing all these beliefs. And now that I have, they're starting to stick and they're starting to work, and I just feel so much more joy. I feel lighter. It's insane. I feel like it's something everyone should do. Therapy is important, like dealing with your shit is important, but I think this just goes to the root of everything and helps you clear those thoughts so that everything that you do, like all the work that you do on top of it, just works 10 times better. Sorry, I just had to do a little bit of waterline liner and I couldn't speak for that. But yeah, I obviously still have a long way to go. I don't think I'll ever be done, but the limiting beliefs that you clear kind of stay gone forever because you just don't need them. They don't serve you anymore. So I'm really excited. It's what I've been working on, like more than anything. Just working on myself and my shit has been a priority this year, especially in the last few months. And I've never felt better than I do at 24. And I never thought I'd say that because when I was younger, I was always very, very scared of being older. And like every time it was my birthday, it was horrible and I hated it because I was a year older. Now it's not so bad. And I think a big part of that is I've been clearing a lot of limiting beliefs surrounding the self. Didn't mean to get too deep there, but I did, and I think that's fine. And now I think I really want to work on more manifestation and affirmation techniques because I feel like they can help me a lot more now. And I'm ready to like just try again and see what sticks and what works for me. So if you have manifestation techniques, affirmation techniques, if you have books, people to follow, anything regarding those kind of topics, let me know down below so that I can research them. And if you're again looking for guidance or this was interesting to you, I will leave the link for that down below. I got a little bit of mascara smudged everywhere, but that's fine because we're now at the lip section and I want to do a bold lip. I did like a bold liner. I don't know if I should do lower lash mascara. I'm not feeling it, but I'm loving the pink liner moment. I think I want to do a bold lip as well, which is, it's bold and it's bold, but I want to do it. So obviously I'm doing a bit of contour because I have tiny lips. Merit Cabo, which is my favorite. This isn't very summery. I don't know if it's gonna go with the pink. We'll see. I feel like it's not working. You tell me, guys, is it working? I don't feel like it is. Like it's not meshing together, I feel. I think I'm having like a crisis. I don't know if I like this or not. I'm not entirely convinced. I mean, separate, I like him, like the pink and the orange, but this is maybe a little too rusty orange. I don't know, I'm gonna keep it like this, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of lower lash mascara. I think that's gonna help. I don't know if that exactly helped my problem, but it doesn't look bad. Let me just add a little more powder. I feel like I'm very shiny right now and I want to be a little less shiny. That is an update on me. I want to know what you guys have going on. How are you doing? Are things good? Are things bad? Are you watching Queen Charlotte and are you just as obsessed as I am? I need someone to tell me that season 3 of Bridgerton is going to be good because right now I'm not feeling it. I don't like Colin and I don't like Penelope. I used to love her, but now that I have realized how she slanders my baby King George and Charlotte, I don't love her anymore. Okay, lady whistle down. F you. But yeah, I just need someone to tell me that season 3 is gonna be okay and that Shonda Rhimes knows what she's doing. But anyways, I feel like I've ranted too much about this and it's getting a little weird. But anyways, this is the final look. Let me get up close and personal. As I said, not sure that I'm loving the eye lip combo, but at the same time I look at it and I'm like, I like it. So I'm not sure what to feel about this, but I like it. I mean, I'm just staying home, so the lip is probably gonna fade in a while. Fun pop of color, honestly. You can do this without the lip. I love the glossy eyes. We have a little bit of a mascara smudge in there and a little bit of the concealer situation. So let me just tap, tap, tap all those away. What do you guys think? Do you like the look? Hate it? Well, how are you feeling about this combo? Okay, I'm ready to keep on working. I'm feeling a lot better. I've ranted with you guys. I've given you a life update. I am feeling good, ready to take on the day. I hope you are too. I hope you got ready with me. I hope you had a fun time hanging out. As always, everything that I used will be linked down below just in case you're interested. They are affiliate links. I earn a tiny commission if you purchase through those links, but you don't need to. They're just there for your convenience. And because I didn't say what I was using today, I was so caught up in my shit talking to you guys. But yeah, I'm so happy that I took the time to hang out with you, and I hope you are too. I hope you had fun. If you enjoyed this video, as always, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like this. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I hope we can do this again soon. Bye everyone. Mwah!